Hi, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company, and we're offering this Kawasaki 900 Z1 for sale. This is a RICKMAN chassis. I have a good customer that's just liquidating a few things at this time. What a statement! This is nice. This is so nice. It's got some good points, got some bad points, but most of them are pretty good. If you come and look at the paint, it's got your average normal scratches on it, you know, just from sitting. It's got the nice forks, new fork seals, the brakes are overhauled. We have some videos that come with it. It had a complete engine job. Body parts have some age to them. This is got some damage back here in the tail section, but it's all still original paint. The chain guard's been polished out. It's got new shocks. Now I want to show you the rear wheel here. It's 18 inch. If you come over here to the side, you can see where we've made a new line for it. This is all rebuilt stuff. Everything here is rebuilt. However, we've got a little bit of damage on the rear wheel. As you can see, the rim's bent right here. It could be fixed, but we don't have the capacity to do that. However, I'm going to spin it for you here. As you can see, we have a little bit bent there. It definitely needs repaired if you're going to do some serious high-speed travel with it, but I think overall it's pretty good. Now, it's been sitting in our shop for some time. We've had it covered up. We're gonna give it a nice little bath, and we're gonna get her fired up. But I mean, I can't begin to tell you how much stuff. You have to see our video on this. But you got nice turn signals here. All this stuff is all rebuilt. The motor is the most gorgeous motor there is. It's all perfect. The meters have been rebuilt by Don Fulsang in Florida. I mean, you're talking a nice first-class bike here. The tires on the front is kind of dry rotted from sitting. So for high-speed use, I would definitely suggest a new set of tires. Now, here with Hilo here, we have the RICKMAN assembly parts catalog. Right here, this is the original book. Then inside here, I have the disc where you adjust the chain at the swing arm. I got the different size disc in here. So we're gonna fire it up here. It's been a while. We had the battery on charge. We'll let Hilo ride it because I can't ride it because my belly's too big. Okay. Bike is totally cold. Hasn't been started in a couple days. The motor sounds perfect. Hilo, right up the driveway. Here he comes. This is a great running bike. What a great runner bike. With the exception of the rear wheel being bent a little bit, this is a nice bike. The frame is polished. We had the center stand and side stand powder coated to match the frame the best that they could over at Ace Powder Coating. Put new K&N air filters on it. I mean, it's just This is just a fantastic bike, and we're going to be offering on eBay today. So I hope this goes to a good home. It's got 13 miles on it since the motor's been done. It was just a gorgeous project that the gentleman just never rode, and gorgeous chain guard. I mean, this bike is cool. If you have any questions, call us. And then watch the video online. Thanks a lot.